In this video, I'm going to explain how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Ledger Flex. So just follow along, I'll show you everything step by step. First, you want to go to coinbase.com, so this website, and then you want to log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, you want to tap on Transfer, top right, and then click Send Crypto. Now, this thing should pop up, so this window over here, where we are gonna type in different things next, okay? So the first thing you want to do is enter in how much you'd like to withdraw and then select the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw. So for example, you want to do 98.16 USD, and then of course over here you want to select your cryptocurrency. So for me over here in this screenshot I got is Bitcoin, okay? So that's the first thing you want to make sure you do. And now once you've done that, we'll have to generate your Ledger deposit address. And first, you need to select the right network or blockchain, okay? And this over here is the general rule. So for Bitcoin, use the Bitcoin network. For Ethereum, the Ethereum network. For BNB, Binance Smart Chain Network. For ETC, Ethereum Classic Network. And for DOT, Polkadot Network. But always double check. The network you select on Coinbase must be the same you selected on your Ledger Live Map app, which is very important, okay? So it has to be the same inside Coinbase and on the Ledger Live app. If you do not know the network you should use for your cryptocurrency, in case this is not what you're sending, Google it and you'll get to know it pretty easily, and that's pretty much it, okay? Now, after you know it and after you selected it at both parties, so at Coinbase and the Ledger Live app, what you have to do is generate your deposit address, and you can do this by opening the Ledger Live app, and then you have to navigate the left sidebar menu and click Receive. From there, you have to select the same crypto you selected on the exchange. So if it was Bitcoin, you want to select Bitcoin. If it was Ethereum, Ethereum, etc. And then you should select the same network you selected on Coinbase, which I said multiple times, and this is very important. If the network isn't listed, then this sadly means Ledger Live doesn't support it just yet, okay? Then what you have to do next is connect and unlock your Ledger device, and your deposit address will be displayed. Then a QR code will appear, and then click Copy Address. And then after you've done this, you have to verify your deposit address, and you must only trust the display on your Ledger device, okay? So to verify this, you must compare the address you copied from the Ledger Live app to the one displayed on your Ledger device. So make sure it's the same, and if it is the same, it's verified and you can paste it into Coinbase. Now once again, confirm it matches the one on your Ledger app and the device. That's very important and very crucial to not get any objectives into your way. So as I said over here, it's very important to be extra safe, and you should first send only a small amount and verify that the transaction was received before sending larger amounts of crypto. So once you've done that, you want to paste it into here. So once you are sure and you've verified the address, you want to paste it in here, which is down below in this place over here. And up here, you should have your network selected. So as I said, network should be the same on both Ledger, so on the Ledger and then on Coinbase. And then you should put in your amount, which crypto you're sending, and then your address, which was verified. Now, once you've done this, you want to click Preview Send, and then you will have to go through your two-factor authentication, and then once that's done, you'll be able to just send your crypto and then wait a bit for it to process, as times vary, which means different processings can take a bit of time. So depends on which network you're using, it's going to take a bit of time for the crypto to arrive, and then once you've essentially received your small amount, you can then confirm this is working and you can try sending bigger amounts. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.